Hi, dummy. Oh, you're not straight. Me either. Playing hard to get. I actually don't. I'm so over men that play hard to get. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jake. I live in New York, but today we're going to LA. And it is currently 4:28 in the morning. And I'm packing up because I need to leave here in about 20 minutes max to head over. My flight's at JFK and we board at 7:30. So I just want to get there at a decent time with everything going on nowadays. Let me show you what we're working with. This suitcase just has a bunch of random stuff in it. And then this one as well. This is like my big cold suitcase. My issue right now is that my dryer didn't dry my clothes last night. So I'm trying to get them dried before I leave, because I need them. Yes, I did fake tan yesterday. I went to Sugared and Bronzed and I've never felt better in my life. We're going to LA for a few days and then we're off to Texas for Thanksgiving and that'll be another vlog. We're back to vlogging. Hello, welcome back. I'm your host Jake Eldridge and today you're here on my YouTube channel. My laundry is like not finishing, but it has to be done because I need to get out the door. Let's call that car and let's get the freight out of Dodge. This suitcase is so bad. We're good to go. I made it to the hotel. I want to give you a little room tour. It's 12:45. I'm gonna go to the gym and probably grab lunch, and then Jillian is on her way a little later. She's like 2 hours away, so she'll be here this afternoon. But let me give you a room tour. I'm staying at the Mondrian. I stayed here last time in LA. I don't think I made a YouTube video last time. It's a fine hotel. It's a little dirty, but it's okay. Door, my baggage, and then you walk in, little table, view, bed. Over here, closet. It's just a lot of color, and that, like, to me, I don't like color. And then fridge, mini bar, bathroom area. Hi, Bod. Okay, anyway, mirror, and then toilet and shower. Hi, view. Hi, LA. I love her. I love LA. I missed it over here. Jillian's almost here. It's now like 4 p.m. She's gonna be here in 4 minutes. I have to be downstairs. Long story short, I went to Equinox and the power in all of West Hollywood went out. I haven't ate today. My workout was cut a little bit short and I just showered, but we're gonna go run around Melrose probably and find some food. None of the restaurants are open, so I couldn't get anything. Just walking. So I think we're gonna drive away a little bit and go find something that's operable. Ooh, hello. Back the f up. Jillian's here. She's getting ready. We drove around, but all of West Hollywood was still out of power whenever we drove, and she needed a bathroom, so we came back to the hotel. We're getting ready, but the sunset was so pretty. I just showed it to you. Good morning. It's 7:40 in the morning. I'm running over to Westwood to UCLA. I usually do this once every trip just because I love it over there and I love UCLA. And I was originally committed there for football and then I switched to Rutgers. But UCLA was always my dream school. I have FOMO, okay? I have FOMO from not going, so I try and run there once every trip. So that's what I'm doing. I'm running the 5 miles over there. There's a Bluestone Lane on campus that I like. I'm going there and then I'll probably walk back. Maybe I'll walk or run or jog back, or you know what? If I get lazy, Uber. And then I have an appointment this morning at Venroy. It's just like a clothing store. They invited me in to go shop a little bit. So that's at 11 and it's 8. So I gotta get going. And then come back. I might go to the gym again, like the actual gym, get a lift in. And then Shay and I are going with Tinder tonight to Sabrina Carpenter. She's playing, I don't know where, but she's playing somewhere. So we're gonna go over there, go to that concert. And then I don't know what else, but that's the day pretty much. It's Sunday right now. Jillian left this morning. She had to leave at like 6. The people in that room would not shut the fuck all night. Like, it just stopped, by the way, when the sun like fully came up. They just stopped. I was like, okay, you gotta go, or I gotta go somewhere else. But that's what I get for booking a cheap hotel with points. Anyway. Hi, my loves. We just got back from our run. I ran over to UCLA. It is now 9:45, almost 10 in the morning. My appointment's at 11 at Venroy, so I'm gonna change, shower, walk down to Melrose, maybe grab a coffee and then go in. And then I think I'm gonna get a bite after. I need to sit in a cafe or somewhere and get homework done. I have 5 assignments that were due. I'm not being an academic icon right now and I need to step up my game. But anyway, I'm gonna go do that and then maybe go to the gym, and then some of us are going to dinner at like 4:45 before the concert. So how's the lighting? Awful? Love that. I think at Venroy, I'm gonna try and get an outfit for Sabrina tonight. I'm loving Wrangler, by the way. They're like PR team. I love you guys if you're seeing this. Also, your clothes. Love the way the jeans fit my ass. Like, they hug it tight, okay? I need to listen to Sabrina Carpenter and get back in the mode. You know, I met her at the Louis Vuitton show in Paris 2 summers ago. She was the sweetest thing ever. I think it was right when Espresso was released, or Short and Sweet, like the album. Her and Central C were there, and we got out of the car. Well, I got out of the car with who I was with, and we were standing there. And then I looked to my left, and Sabrina Carpenter is standing there. But I've never seen her perform or in concert. Yay. Anyway. Okay, we're ready to go. Here we go. This is my outfit. Jeans, sweater, and face. Okay, you guys, it's now 4:30. I went to the gym for a little bit, but I'm going over to Shay's. Trying to leave here in like 10 minutes. I haven't started getting ready yet, so you know me, and I take a while. I have my clothes that I got today from Venroy. I just got these white denim pants. I love their denim, and I just love like a little white denim. So I'm gonna wear this, and then I got this jacket. This jacket is more so good for, I don't know that I'll wear this tonight necessarily, but I will be wearing the pants at least. So I'm gonna get ready. Today is like very low key, like, well, like I feel like I've done a lot, but also I haven't shown you a lot. Tomorrow I have a big meeting in Santa Monica early in the morning, and then Aloe in the afternoon. Tuesday I'm going on a friend's YouTube channel to make like a little appearance, so that'll be fun too. And then Wednesday I fly out. That's the rest of our schedule. Okay, I gotta get ready. I feel so like bloated. It's like 7 a.m. almost. Getting ready to go to the gym. But last night was so fun. I got home at like 1. Go Sabrina. Oof, they had chicken tenders, were good. You know I love a sweatsuit. So you cannot see me, mama. The lighting is boof, okay? I need a coffee. I'm gonna go get a workout in because then I have to come back and get ready for my meeting. My meeting is, well, I can't say. Never mind. Never mind. I like my boys playing hard to get. I actually don't. I'm so over men that play hard to get. Like, get a life, please. We're not doing all that, okay? I came to LA for the sun, and it is so sunny this morning, you guys. Look at how beautiful and sunny it is. Oh my god.
It's gorgeous.
You can see for miles on end. Oh, I like my boys playing hard. Don't even try me. Don't play hard to get. I hate you. Oh my god, my arm looks huge. Hold on. Look at that. Like, hey, daddy. I am getting ready. I have to go in like 30 minutes. I have my meeting, so I'm just gonna do my skin, and this is what I'm wearing. White tee, black jeans. But this is, I'm like putting you on a tripod, okay? So like, let's just take a breath. There you go. Okay, I can't say what this is for just yet, but it's really exciting, and it's like kind of, I think, the biggest thing I've done. I don't think, I know. I'm a little nervous. I try not to get nervous anymore about things because nothing's that serious, but I'm a little nervous. And I'm wearing white, so if I start sweating, I'm gonna get pit stains, whatever. Skincare routine. These are my two, like, these are my hero products. These two right here, I love them. Oh, she's locked. I woke up this morning, I looked in the mirror and I was like, oh, he really let himself go this trip. He's letting himself indulge, and you know what? Movies, I wanna love. Oh, I better stop singing before I get copyright. Do you want the house tour? I can take you to the first, second, third floor. And I gotta make sure that I feel like this trip has just been me in the hotel getting ready. But there's some stuff is happening that I cannot show you. So I feel bad. I don't feel bad. I kind of feel bad. I don't know. So after my meeting, Shay might pick me up or I might Uber to wherever he's at. And then we're gonna go to Aloe for Pilates. And then get a little Erewhon meal. And that'll do it for the day, folks. Tonight, I feel like I had something tonight, but I think I forgot. Oh, I think I had a date. I know, crazy. Wait, should I have shaved? Movie. I can't believe it's already almost December. That's insane to me. I feel like also as I've gotten older, or I guess not older, but like, well, I have gotten older. That's what happens when time passes. But I feel like as I've gained responsibility in work and life and independence and living alone and stuff, there's not as much time. Like, just look back on like the past few months since really September have flown the fuck by. Like, there's not been a day where I've just like felt caught up on anything, because there's always like more, you know what I mean? And I think that just like happens as you get older, but I'm also, it's just crazy. Like, I don't have time to stop right now and like think about like, oh my god, let me take in all the nostalgia from the holidays. Like, I don't even know that I'm gonna put up a Christmas tree, because I'm just like, I'm gonna spend money on a Christmas tree, put it up, to then take it down in 2 weeks. I don't get back till the 2nd or 1st of December. Then I'm leaving probably on the 20th. I'm like, what am I gonna do? Stare at a tree for 19 days? I'm good, thank you. There's plenty outside.
Come with me to Rodeo Drive.
The El Pollo Loco cup is the extra large at that. The cup, not you. You double X, boo.
You double X.
Shay picked me up from my meeting and
didn't ask any questions about how it went.
didn't ask about me, didn't ask how I'm doing.
I was in crisis, if I'm being honest.
He was struggling. But then we went to Neiman's. We're better now.
Feeling a lot better. I'm
feeling a lot better.
Myself
and we're going to Aloe Pilates in a little bit. We're going to Erewhon right now.
Jake's holding his phone in my blind spot, which is great.
Oh my god. Well, if it's your blind spot, you can't see it anyway.
When I close my eyes, I can't see. Do your shorts have pockets?
Yeah. We're hiking.
Jake's vlogging style drives me nuts.
He gets so pissed when I vlog.
So we're going over here, and then we're gonna go over here.
He doesn't like when I tell people what we're doing.
You guys, and we're gonna put one foot right in front of the other, starting with the right.
Followed. Okay, guys.
And if you can see, it's so beautiful.
It is Tuesday, 7:30 in the morning. I just got some work done for the past few hours. I wake up so early here and I love it because I'm still on East Coast time, obviously. But it looks so pretty outside, so sunny. Hi, sun. I don't even know that I'm gonna work out today because I have a busy afternoon, but I'm just gonna go get coffee, sit down with my computer somewhere and relax a little bit and get some work done. My email needs to be taken care of, so I'm gonna go sit at a coffee shop and do that because I have had stuff going on here, but I haven't done any computer work recently and it's overflowing, school included, unfortunately. And then today at 1, I'm going to film for my friend's YouTube channel. Very exciting. And then I have a meeting, an exciting meeting again after that, and then grabbing dinner with someone tonight. So from around noon on is pretty busy today, but this morning I'm gonna take it to chill. And then tomorrow I fly out at like 1 p.m. So I'm not really, also with how crazy it is, day before Thanksgiving, I'll probably get there so many hours before. You know what I mean? Like, I'd rather sit at the airport and get work done. I just ate so much food. The lighting is, in fact, boof. Ugh, the lighting's awful, but I should sit there. Then I get the view. Hi, dummy. Much better. Oh, you're not straight. Me either. I did not go to the gym. I walked on the treadmill for 30 minutes and left. And then I got a big breakfast, which you just saw, and I munched on that like nobody's business. And then I got a water. Tell me why a water in a Celsius and a pack of gum was $17. That's worse than New York. That's highway robbery. Me 3 coffees in and gets a Celsius all before 11 a.m. needs to stop. Anyway, but every time I'm in LA, I'm like, oh, like, I don't know. No, mama, I would move here in a heartbeat. But I would only move here when I have the money to move here and live the life I want. You know what I mean? Yeah. I just had these really good potatoes for breakfast, but pesto and oil always makes me break out, or not break out, puffy, like really puffy immediately, and I already feel it starting. So I'm just doing a lymphatic drainage. Guess who's back in his hotel room? It's me. I had my meeting, composer, and it went really well. Filming went well. Everything went well, but I haven't ate today really. So I just ordered my favorite latte from Earth. And then my dinner's not till 7, but it's currently 5:10. I'm like pissed at every single like human being right now. Everyone's just annoying me. So I'm like, I need food. So I ordered a cookie. Oh, it's so good. It's the honeybee latte from Earth. And then I got a cookie and a turkey patty. So I'm like, I just need something to hold me over. I've been grinding on my emails. Well, not grinding on them, but like grinding away at them. Is it better this way? Of course it's better this way now. Hold on, let's switch seats again. Merry-go-round chairs, what's it called? What's the game that we played as a kid where you like take the chair? Tetris chairs. What am I saying? Steal your chair, missing chair, remove the chair. You know what I mean? You know the chair game? Oh, that's so much better. You know the chair game that we played as kids where you like, somebody removes their chair and then you're like fighting to see who gets to sit? What the hell am I saying? I'm gonna die. This is heaven. Turkey patty. Yum. Hi, tomato. Thank you guys so much for the tomato. Everyone say hydrated. This is a good patty. Oh, and then this is the cookie. Just like their chocolate chip. I'm gonna go finish up some work before I have to get ready. I'm not getting ready, I'm not changing. I'm gonna go finish my work and veg and kind of relax and not talk to anybody. Good morning, you guys. It is my last morning here on Wednesday. I'm flying out, going over to Texas today for Thanksgiving, but I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I'm sorry that I never show you guys much when I'm in LA because I feel like I'm just running around and I never pull out my phone, or I pull out my phone but not my camera. I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I love you so much. We're back to vlogging for at least this week and Thanksgiving. After that, who knows what I'll be up to, but we'll see. We'll pray. We'll fingers crossed that we keep it going. But anyway, I love you so much. Make sure to follow me on all my other social medias linked down below. Comment anything you want to see. I also have a 12 Bakes of Christmas series coming out on TikTok very soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I would say we'll stay in touch, but well, am I blended? I just put makeup on. Is it blended? Anyway, I love you. Bye.